So you have another simpler formula, okay? To simpler formula to find the variance. So what is your actual formula now? You have sigma square is summation of fi times xi minus x bar divided by sigma fi. Correct? இப்போ இத வந்து நம்ம எப்படி சிம்பிளா எழுதலாம்? Square, don't miss the square, okay? So I'll write a very simpler formula which will not include the mean. If a mean கண்டுபிடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறமா what do you have to do? Xi minus x bar, then square that. So the steps are very long. So what if we omit this mean itself? So we'll no more have mean in the formula. So என்ன பண்ணலாம்? I'm going to open the bracket, okay? This is a minus b the whole square. So I have sigma of fi times xi square plus x bar square minus 2xi x bar the whole divided by sigma fi. Okay, now I'm going to open the bracket, multiply fi inside. So I have sigma fi xi square plus fi x bar square minus 2xi x bar fi the whole divided by sigma fi. So I can take sigma inside, correct? So I have sigma fi xi square plus sigma fi x bar square minus sigma 2xi x bar fi the whole divided by sigma fi. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take everything that is not dependent on the summation now. So what will I have? Sigma fi and xi both depend on the summation. The summation is from I1 to n, correct? So I is the variable of the summation and I have I for both the variables. So fi xi square, I can't do anything with this. Here x bar square is not dependent on the summation. So I can take the x bar square outside and summation of fi will be inside. Minus in the இடத்துல I can take 2x bar outside. So I have 2x bar summation of xi fi the whole divided by sigma fi. Okay, so what relations do you know? X bar is sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi, which is also capital N, correct? So in that the first term will be sigma fi xi square divided by sigma fi, which I'll write it as n, plus I'm going to split. So this divided by this plus in the term divided by this term minus this term divided by this term. So I have plus x bar square times sigma fi, which will be capital N, minus divided by n minus 2x bar, which is 2x bar times what is sigma fi xi. From here I see sigma fi xi is x bar into n, correct? So x bar n the whole divided by n. So you see that the n and the n gets cancelled, n and the n gets cancelled. So I have x bar square, so sigma fi xi square divided by n plus x bar square minus 2x bar square. So this will be minus x bar, correct? So sigma fi xi square divided by n plus kadayadu minus x bar square. What is my x bar? We just saw it as sigma fi xi divided by n. Sigma fi xi square divided by n minus sigma fi xi divided by n the whole square. So when I take n square outside, I have 1 divided by n square times in the n square edutha I have to multiply it by n, correct? Appo n and n square will get cancelled. I'll be left with 1 by n. So n times sigma fi xi square, the square is only for the xi term, okay? Minus I've taken the n square outside. So I'll be left with sigma fi xi the whole square. Okay? So this is the formula. This is the shortcut formula, simpler formula, where you are not dependent on the mean value. In the value is dependent on mean x bar. You have to find the mean bar and then solve. Here the final formula is dependent only on fi and xi, correct? And the n, obviously that is also the sigma fi, okay? So this formula we are going to use henceforth. This is the most easiest formula, easy for calculation and substitution also. You don't have to find the mean, okay? Example 11. Now we are going to use the simpler formula that we learned. So sigma square variance is 1 by n square of fi xi square. The square is only for the xi minus sigma fi xi the whole square. Understand the difference between sigma fi the whole square and sigma fi xi square. Okay, don't get confused. You have to find sigma fi xi then square it. Okay. So what all columns will we need? Xi irukku, fi irukku. I need fi xi. Then I need fi xi square. So I'll have to first square xi. Then find fi xi square. What else do I need? 1 by n square, which will be sigma fi the whole square. So I'll simply add this. Okay. So fi xi enna 7 3s are 21. Why are we using this method? Because we do not have the mean, correct, in the formula. So you don't have to find the mean at all. It is enough if you find these 3 columns and you can simply substitute it. Okay. 7 3s are 21, 80, 15 into 13 enna 5 3s are 15, 1 3 1s are 3 4, 195. Then 180. What is 23 into 6? 6 3s are 18. 1 carry over. 6 2s are 12, 13. இப்போ இதை add பண்ணணுமா? Yes, we need sigma fi xi. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 1 carry over. 2, 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 9, 20. 28, 29, 30, 31. 3 carry over. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then sigma fi என்ன? 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 1 carry over. 1, 2, 3, 4. 48. Okay, so this is my sigma fi. Then what is my xi square? I have to square each and everything. So 3 3s are 9, 8 8s are 64. 13 into 13 is 169. What is 18 square? 18 into 18, 8 8s are 64. 6 8 1s are 8, 14, 8, 1. So it will be 4, 2, 3. 3, 24. Then what is 23 into 23? 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So I have 9, 12, 1, 5, 29. Okay. I found out what my xi square is. Now I need to multiply it with the respective frequencies. So what is fi? I'll erase this. Fi into xi square. So 7 9s are 63. Then 6, 40. 169 into 15. 169 into 15. Be very careful with the calculation. 9 5s are 45. 4 6 5s are 30. 34. 3 5 1s are 5 8. Then 169. So I have 5. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1. 14. 15. 1. 2. So 2, 5. 3, 5. I need to add this, so write it in the correct proper way, okay? Proper column. Then I have 3, 2, 4, 0. Then 5 29 into 6. 9 6 are 54. 5 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5 17. 1 5 6 are 30, 31. Now I need to add all this. What do I get? 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 carry over. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 14, 18. 18 plus 7 25. 2 carry over. 2, 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 14, 15, 16. 1 carry over, 3, 6, 9. So 9, 6, 5, 2. So these are all my values. When I substitute it in the formula, what will I have? Sigma square is 1 by n square, which is 48 square. In the formula, we also have a n, okay? Don't miss the n. So I have sigma square is 1 by n square times n into fi xi square, okay? So when I do that, I'll have 48 into fi xi square in a 9652 minus sigma fi xi the whole square, which will be 614 the whole square. 614 the whole square. So let me do each and every calculation. What is my 48 square? 48 into 48. 8 8s are 64. 6 8 4s are 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. 8 4s are 32, 3 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 19. So 4, 10, 1, 9, 10, 13, 1, 2. So 2, 3, 0, 4. So I'll have 1 by 2304 times 48 into 9652. So 9652 into 48. 8 2s are 16, 1 8 5s are 40, 41, 4. 8 6 are 48, 52. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 5 is 77. Then 4 2s are 8, 5 4s are 20, 2 6 4s are 24, 25, 26. 2 carry over, 9 4s are 36, 37, 38. With add panna 6, 9, 2, 13, 1, 16, 1, 4. 4, 6, 3, 2, 9, 6. 4, 6, 3, 2, 9, 6 minus 614 into 614. I know the calculations are huge, but be very careful. Patient are bodunga. 4 4s are 16, 1 4 1s are 4, 5, 6 4s are 24. Then 1 nala, so inge dash 6 1 4. Then 2 dashes, 6 4s are 24. 2 6 1s are 6 7 8, 6 6 are 36. So when I add, what will I get? 6 9 9. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 1, 7, 3, 3, 7, 6, 9, 9, 6. 3, 7, 6, 9, 9, 6. இப்போ இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் subtract பண்ணலாமா? 4, 6, 3, 2, 9, 6 இங்க இருக்கு. I'll write it here. 3, 7, 6, 9, 9, 6. So 0, 0 இந்த இடத்துல carry over. So 12 minus 9 is 3. Then again I have to borrow from here. 12 minus 6 is 6. Then I have to borrow again. 15 minus 7, 8. So 8, 6, 3, 0. So 1 by 2304 times 86300. So this is my sigma square, variance square, correct? So what will be my standard deviation? My standard deviation is sigma, which is the square root of this value. Simply take out the 48 and you will be left with 21575 oda square root. So what will this be? 1 by 48 times 293.77. So this will be the square root of this. So in the value you'll be left with 6.12. Okay, please do all the calculations. So this is your standard deviation. Okay.